my name is Arijit Mitra. I'm a final year BBA Business Analytics student. Today I had the opportunity to represent my department and university at Verbal Duel, a TechInvent 2024 event for debate. I was conferred with the first overall Champions Prize. Honestly speaking, our topic was a challenging topic. It was regarding India's education system and whether it's fostering creativity or innovation or not. And by learning all the basics through a first-hand experience in Chandigarh University actually propelled me to frame my answers better, and you know the result.
My name is Inam Khan. I am from department MBA FinTech. So basically I am participating in an event that is Battle of Traders 2.0. We won and we have first rank in Battle of Trading. Our team is high on trading.
Myself Deshi Sharma, I am from Chandigarh University, Jalandhar. And me and my team, this is Priyanka, Ashima, Nancy and Shaina. We all are from Chandigarh CSC department. And about the event, we got first prize here in the innovative, which is a kind of hackathon conducted here. And we got 30,000 as a cash prize, plus trophies and medals and etc. goodies from Code Cloud etc. companies here. So very much thank you to Chandigarh University from me and my team and my college too.
Hello everyone. My name is Sonam. I am pursuing Bachelor's of Technology in Electronics and Communication from Chandigarh Group of Colleges, CGC Landra. And this is my team. We came to Chandigarh University and we got the opportunity to take part in Ideathon, and we also bagged third prize in it. And it was a great experience here. Everything was so much fascinating and mesmerizing at the same time.
Hello, my name is Vinayak Arora and my teammates are Ujjwal and Rohit, and we have actually won the third prize in code relay, and it was a very good and memorable experience in our life. And actually it feels very good to be a part of this Chandigarh University, and we are very happy to win this tournament.
I am Ujjwal and I am pursuing computer science engineering. Currently I am in second year at Chandigarh University. I am going to talk about my event that occurred today. So I participated in Code Relay event in which our team got third prize and our team name was Team Pirates. So it was a very good opportunity for us to grab this opportunity, and we will also like to thank Chandigarh University